I don't think the prior videos I did really showed the Toxin 3D, the Chameleon and Burnt Titanium PLA. I don't think that it really showed the color well because they look kind of like this, right? This, I don't think we have enough light in here to really show. So here, I'm repositioning a light so that we can hold this under so we can see the color a little better. It kind of looks like almost like a black without the light. You get some additional light on it, and now you can really start to see. These are going to be knobs for guitars, and you can see there's a little bit of translucence, there's a little bit of sparkle, there's some blue. This one I saw. All right, let me see if I can get some additional light here. There we go. You see a little bit of sparkle and some of the blue and silver shimmer in there. That is a little harder to see. I don't know why. The light that I'm using just isn't picking this up as well as I'd like. This printed really clean on the Elegoo Centauri Carbon, you know, which is kind of to be expected. That's what this printer seems to do best. And yeah, and this was printing at a pretty good speed too. So it'll print in finer detail if you slow it down. I was running it about as fast as it would go. And I mean, it probably had a little bit of speed left, but these turned out really nice. They got a nice blue shimmer. They've got a really good consistency on the finish. Yeah, I'm kind of digging this filament. And still, it's not picking up the color. There's not enough blue showing in this, but it really has a good sparkle and blue to it.